Hello, myself Brij Mohan, working as science teacher in Government High School Cyprian, Block Hajipur, District Hoshiarpur. I have made a model to show force acting on a current carrying conductor when it is placed in a magnetic field. Actually, this experiment was performed by Andre Marie Ampere. He found that when a current carrying conductor is placed in a magnetic field, it experiences force. Let's see how all this happened. To perform this experiment, so I have made a setup where one aluminum conductor is hanged with the help of this copper wire, and its ends are connected with the help of this copper wire to the terminals of the battery. This end of the conductor is connected to the positive terminal of the battery, and this end of the conductor is connected to the negative terminal of the battery. And to produce magnetic field, I have used this horseshoe type magnet whose white pointed mark end is North Pole and the other one is South Pole. And we all know that magnetic lines of forces begin from North Pole and ends at South Pole. So the direction between magnetic lines of forces and the current is to be kept at 90 degree. So as I pass the current through this circuit, let's see what happens. So we can see that this conductor moves outward as I switch on the current through this circuit. This can be understood with the help of Fleming's left hand rule, which states that if we stretch the first three fingers of our left hand in such a way that these three fingers are mutually perpendicular to each other, if this middle finger points towards the direction of current and this first finger points towards the direction of the magnetic lines, then this thumb will point towards the direction in which the conductor will experience a force. If I align my fingers as per the directions in my setup, then let's see what happens. So current is being passed from this corner to this corner, so I align my finger in the same direction, and the magnetic lines of forces are from bottom to top, which is represented by this finger, and thumb is pointing towards the camera. So when I switch on the current, it actually happens so. So this principle is used in various electrical appliances such as DC motor. So I have prepared a simple DC motor in which a simple coil is made by insulated copper wire and whose axes are fitted in a safety pins which are attached to the wooden board. So a round magnet is placed under this coil whose one end is North Pole and the other end is South Pole. So when I pass current through this coil should actually move as per Fleming's left hand rule. Let's see whether it happens or not. So we can see that it actually starts moving. So in this way, students can understand well when the conductor is placed in a magnetic field, it experiences force. Thank you.